Hey, you have definitely made the right choice to learn more because funnels are so extremely powerful. They guide our customers and give them a roadmap to follow instead of just blindly hoping that they make the right call to give us a call and allow us to add value to them. So as business owners, that is our job, is to show why we are valuable and why our clients, our niche market should use our services. So in this video, I'm going to run through Google AdWords and how you can get to page 1 on Google Ads, and then the funnel sequence on why that's so powerful and how to throw your consumers into a funnel so you will never be off of their mind and they're going to see you everywhere they go. And that is important because you have value to to give them essentially. So getting ahead of ourselves here. So the first thing that I want to talk about is Google Ads and the 5 criteria. And we're just going to run through these quickly, but there's a lot to cover here. We don't have that much time, but Google Ads looks at 5 different things when they're looking at your ad to compare it to the other people in your same market running that ad. And when I say the other people in your same market, it's the other people who are using that targeted word that they are advertising towards. So they're going to look at your bid amount, your ad quality, relevance, and extensions, your expected click-through rate, your landing page experience, and your context of keywords. Now, what do all those mean? The bid amount, how much you willing to pay for the ad. Definitely important, but not the all and be all. You can definitely be paying the most and not be in position number 1. It is absolutely true if you fail to do the rest of these criteria that are very important. Ad quality, relevance, and extensions. So what this means is when someone searches real estate Winnipeg realtor, they are looking to click on a button that says Winnipeg real estate realtor. So if the title of your ad is anything other than that, it has a lower chance of getting clicked. Same with the description and the copy on your website. Google's looking at all these things. They're looking to solve problems for their clientele. Expected click-through rate. How many times does your ad get clicked? If it gets clicked more, Google is going to boost that one up because it shows that it's solving problems for people who are searching those terms. Now, it's a double-edged sword on number 4 when it's landing page experience. And this is why I am so huge into landing pages and into funnel systems, because we want people to have high retention, come to our page and engage. And that's what number 4 is all about. So if people are coming to your webpage and there's no engagement and they get confused and they hit backspace, that is no bueno. That is not good. They do not like that and they will dock you points for that. Number 5, context of the keywords. How much copy and how much solutions do you have on your landing page that you send them to that Google's AI, artificial intelligence, whether that's through your copy, videos, anything on that landing page, how much relevance does it have to what someone searched? So that's the 5 criteria of how Google Ads looks at your ad. And from that point, when they click on your ad, you need to send them somewhere, because having the ad is only as good as the system you have on the back end. Because if you have an ad, but it doesn't send them somewhere to take action, well, you might just be burning a lot of money. And that's not the point. So let me move my face out of the way here. A funnel system. A funnel system. What we want to do, awareness. This is through our advertising. This is through social media, Facebook ads, Google AdWords, whatever awareness we are doing. This is how we generate leads. And this is where people are going to see us. And then we bring them to a landing page. This is where we give them value. And it has to be a value landing page. People are so bombarded with marketing these days that we need to give them a little bit of a reason to choose us over the competition. It's not just pick up the phone and ask for someone's business anymore. It's I'm willing to show you why I'm valuable and why I'm different. So that's why we bring them to a value video. In my opinion, a video is powerful. So a value video, or you're giving them away a free ebook, you're giving them away a free document that's going to make their life easier. You're giving them something of value. And that turns them into a prospect because they saw you, they've engaged with you, and now they want that. So they're going to subscribe to you. And now you bring them to another page that gives them a little bit more information and gives them an opportunity to work with you. So now they have to make a decision. they're at a sales page and free consultation, a strategy session, a discovery call, whatever you want to call it. They have the opportunity to set an appointment with you and go to that next level. And that's where they decide either to not do that. They've already got that, that free document, that free ebook that you offered them, and they're going to hit the road, or they're going to move down, they're going to take action, and they're going to become a client. So that's how a funnel works. And that's what we want to set up. So let me break it down. So step number one is we have an ad over here on the left, and we have all these people who see the ad. Now we have only, this thing is a little sensitive, sorry about that. We have not as many, let's say a little less than half actually engage with the advertisement. They go to the value landing page and they see what you're offering them in value, and then a certain percentage of those people engage with it. And then with these certain amount of people who've engaged with it, someone is willing to make that next step and take action. And as we all know, as salesmen, as business owners, it's a numbers game, for the most part. Of course, we want to add value. We want to give ourselves the best platform and the best opportunity to make that pitch, to make our value pitch and say, hey, we are the best solution for you. And as business owners and as salesmen, we truly have to believe that. It's not, there's no other way, because we're in business for ourselves, because we believe in ourselves. But that all being said, it's around 2 to 3% of people that are willing to make that decision right now, meaning only 2 to 3% of all the people you reach out to are going to be in a situation where today they're ready to make that call. So when you advertise, if this is 50 people, you're going to get around one person who's ready to make that sale. Now this is where it gets really exciting, and this is where it gets really interesting, because we do the ad, we get a client. Perfect. Well, with all the technology in place with Facebook pixels, you can put them on your websites, you can put them on your landing pages. Yes, you can. You can start gathering this data. And when people engage, we have their, let's call it their social imprint, their social DNA. And we have an identity for them. And the pixel communicates this with the softwares, with Facebook. When we advertise, we can start retargeting. We can send ads and start retargeting towards everyone who has hit our landing pages and who have made it to certain landing pages. And that's where it gets really fun, because now someone saw you once, but now we're sending retargeting ads directly to those people only. So now they're seeing us for a second time, they're seeing us for a third time, they're seeing us for a fourth time, until they're in a position where they're ready to make a call to action. And now who do you think they're going to be thinking about? They're going to be thinking about you, because you have went through the effort to provide that value. And through the software's automatic follow-up systems and pixels, you're going to be in their mind all the time. And that's what you're doing. You're planting seeds. And once this thing grows and educates itself enough, you're just going to be getting in front of everyone who's seen you. And when they need you, you're going to be the person that they call. So that's the retargeting. You just rinse and repeat this cycle, sending out new videos, retargeting videos. Now you can get more into who you are and let people know who you are on a personal level. It's very powerful stuff. So here's a case study, just to give you an idea. And this is a lead case study, a client who just wanted a lot of leads, and they're a mortgage broker. So in the mortgage broker game, this is more of a long-term relationship where these leads are going to turn into lifelong value. So there was a giveaway campaign we did with some gents tickets, and what this ad was is we had the Facebook ad here, and you can see this is the pixel information from the website, but you can see all the subscribers. You got 213 total subscribers over a course of November 19th to December the 13th. So not even a full month, and had over 213 locally founded people in his city subscribe to the ad, to his email list with their name and phone number. Extremely powerful, because now he can call them, he can directly email them, has their information on from the pixel, he can send ads and retarget them. So let me break this down even further with the pixel. So page view, he had almost 800 people in Winnipeg, with the place of where his business operates, who went to the website. So now we can retarget from people who page viewed. We can retarget people who viewed the content. That was a specific button they would have had to click. So 792 people went to the page, 740 of them clicked on the video, and 276 of them subscribed. Now, 213 subscribers, obviously we had some people unsubscribe, but that's just part of the number game. So 276 of them subscribed. So if we wanted to send a retargeting ad to people who subscribed, everyone who put in their email and went to the next value page and next landing page, we can send a Facebook ad up where it's sending it to their accounts. And when they're on their feed, they're going to see this ad. Extremely powerful stuff. Very powerful. It's setting up business for the long term. And that's the whole point of this. So I wanted to break that down, and I wanted to show you why that is very valuable. And this system you can set up in your business right away and get this going. Instead of sending someone to your website, instead of hoping that they pick up the phone and call you, take actions to implement a system where you are leading them along the way and showing them value and showing them what core values you operate with and what kind of business or what kind of business person you are to deal with. And you do that by making it easy and bite-sized pieces of content while providing them value. And that's all done through a funnel. So I hope this was definitely valuable to you. If not, let me know. I definitely do want to know either way. Hey, thanks so much for the time today and sitting through the funnel education video. And because you sat through the video today, I want to offer you a free 30-minute analysis of your Google Ads campaign, a free 30-minute analysis of your Facebook ads campaign, or if you don't have either of those campaigns in place right now and you're just looking for a little more education and want a strategy session, that is something we can set up as well. So if you click the link below, you can choose whatever strategy session, wherever you are in your business. You know, if you're already running ads, or if you want to learn how to run ads and set up a funnel to your page, wherever you are in your business journey, let's sit down. Let's sit down for 30 to 60 minutes and go over how we can set these processes up and start getting traffic coming through your doors with intent. Let's get intentful marketing strategies on the platforms, the social platforms that we need them on. So every customer that walks in the door, well, if they don't buy today, we have systems in place to make sure that they are going to buy at some point in the future. So that's what it's all about. So if you found value, please click the button below to go to my calendar page and set up an appointment. And I really appreciate the time again today. Happy marketing, and we will chat soon. Ciao for now.